Hi, so I wanted to share with you that today is the day of Venus, the planet of love and creativity. And she's in a 40-day retrograde right now. And my 40-day meditation starts next week. And this 40-day meditation is a meditation for a calm heart. And it helps bring clarity to our relationship with ourselves and our relationship with others. And so it's a perfect time. Where do we need to refresh? And what's working? What isn't working? Is everything we're doing still igniting the passion and fire in our hearts? Or is it not? Has it faded? And so my next 40-day meditation, sitting with yourself in this manner with this beautiful breathing meditation set to my crystal bowls during Venus retrograde, is a beautiful time to begin to bring clarity. And so you can find out all the deets. I just put up a new post and the link is in the bio. And if you're up for it in the morning, sadhana is happening at 4:30 a.m. Sending you so much love. And just one more thing. I wanted you to say hello to Grandmother Moon and her waxing gibbous phase. What is alive in you right now? What's growing? What are you birthing?